Alright, Saturday morning. God, I hope it rains. Haven't had rain in months, I can hear the thunder. It's my dry yard. So I'm feeling pretty good now after I had my bee. After a few drinks yesterday. Here's my girls. Hello. There's 3 of them. Hey Blackie, where are you? It's Whitey, Twin and Red. Blackie's probably sitting on the nest. Hey Blackie, where are you? Girls are gone out, puppies. Gone to work, and I'm not going anywhere. This is my dry yard. Come, we go for a walk up and I'll show you some mangoes. Trees love the... Oh, I can hear you thunder. Come this way, we need rain. My neighbours. People at the back have put this really scary, horrible fence up that we can paint. Should see it. Could you do this to somebody? Put a fence up in the backyard. And it's really, really, really grotty. Look at this. I've stuck this up. This is just recent. Stuck this grotty fence up. Go at it. It's got all dings in it. All of this shit. Look at that. Look at that. It's in my backyard. Anyway, showing you the mangoes on my trees. Look, mangoes. Yum. Yummy. Won't be long. As long as the bats and all the birds don't get them. There we go, might rain. To be continued. My backyard, there's my water tank under the ground. 50,000 litres.